Okay, so hi guys. I was gonna take a nap and neglect my responsibilities, but I stayed awake and I think I'm energized now. I think I'm ready to go. So, alright, so we got some coconut oil here, some olive oil. This is the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This is my cannabis and hemp black castor oil. And then we just have our water bottle, detangling brush, clips, and hair ties. Alright, so first what you're just seeing me doing is parting my hair. No, I wasn't using a comb, and I'm parting it into a million sections just because my hair is so thick, so you know. Alright, so step 1 out of 658,900 steps. Spray it with some water, and we're going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. Apply it to, the whole piece that you're working on. And then when you're detangling, combing out, you want to start at the bottom, of course, because that's just the healthiest way for your hair. So this is just me doing it on the next section, and you're going to see me skip past this. But the first part of this was me just going through applying the leave-in conditioner and making sure everything was detangled. And then later I'll go in with all my oils, and here I'm just twisting it up so it doesn't tangle right back up, because that's the way my hair operates, okay? It'll tangle back up in 2 seconds. Okay, so at this point, the leave-in conditioner has been applied to all sections of this half of my head, and it has been combed through. So now you're going to see me just brush through this section one more time that I, twisted up. And we're going to go on with our coconut oil and our olive oil first. So I'm just applying this, you got to get your roots, of course, and applying this to the, the main part of my hair. And you didn't see me use my cannabis and hemp oil, because cannabis, hemp, and black castor oil, because I'm going to go back in later and just put that on my roots only. So I'm using a very generous amount of these oils, like you can see, because my hair will dry up in 2 seconds. So I'm going to lather that baby up. Black women that don't know how to braid really, and don't really know how to part. So luckily I don't know, these parts came out pretty decent. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, now I ended up with like 5 twists on one half of my head and then 7 twists on the other. So obviously I wasn't really going for it to be really even, but I just went down the whole half and just did some big twists that way. So it's me just twisting it on up. So all I'm doing right here is what's called stretching your hair, and it's just so that, obviously your hair doesn't shrink up as much as it normally would due to our natural shrinkage. So this helps retain a little bit more length, and all you gotta do is just tie some ponytail holders around your, your hair and just stretch it out. Alright, so now I'm just slathering the top of my head with some more oil, trying to get it nice and smooth. And I already applied my cannabis, hemp, and castor oil to my roots. So now I am just wrapping it up with my scarf, obviously, and we are done. And I just gave it a little blow dry because, all the oils, it was juicy. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.